And okay, so we're going to be talking about what big birds like to eat. I think that's what I am, right? Have you seen Elmo's World? Elmo's a pretty nice friend. Okay, so first off, us big birds eat Santa Claus. Oh, oh, oh. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, no presents for you. Yes, presents for me, because I'm awesome. Okay, I'm sorry, Santa Claus. Maybe next year. Okay, next thing we eat is little starfish. Oh, I'm so dumb. Oh, I'm a dumb little starfish. Yes, you are. Nom, 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 nom. Ooh. Oh, hey guys. Nom, nom. One second, guys. Surprise! Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so, oops, Five Nights at Freddy's mode. Okay, okay, we're back. Okay, so next we eat. Us big birds eat. I'll be right back. Oh,
So that's my pet, Big Bird, and he's pretty crazy.
Yum. Okay,
I'm in the background.
don't make me eat you too.
There was a ghost. See?
Okay,
See,
so
nobody.
those weirdos. Declan, what? Oh! Okay. Okay, so finally, us big birds eat.
Pause the video for a minute.
1 second. My beak doesn't work. Douglas!
I'm gonna eat you.
We're back! Okay, so next thing we eat, finally, are, Cookie Monsters. Where's my cookies? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm a cookie. I'm a cookie. Ah! Cookie, cookie, cookie. Okay, so that's all, folks. Wait a minute. What's that? Don't you guys see? Oh yeah, you don't see that because the camera's facing the other way. Magic! Hello? Who goes there? Ah! Did you hear that, guys? Oh, Big Bird died. All hail Big Bird! Oh, are you okay? It's okay.
Ah!
What is that thing?
I took out this stuff.
What is... Ah!